Alright friends, so first things first, battery charged in about a half an hour. It is a simple adapter that you can plug in. I'm going to right now attach the prop guards. The manual shows you just open it up a little bit, slide it around, and then snap it in place. Easy peasy. But also in a room like mine, pretty darn essential, because there's walls and lights and all kinds of things that I'm probably going to run into. Alright, prop guards in place. Alright friends, if we run through the controller, obviously we've got the phone clamp up front. We've got the LED indicator up here. You got your left stick, you got your right stick. Power button. One key takeoff and landing. Circle fly. Notice there's a circle picture around it. Headless mode. Headless mode is a short press and one key return with a long press. High speed rotation. When I was playing, this was the one that was making our videos so bad, but I did have fun with it. This is the drone's LED brightness. This is how you can turn the LEDs on and off. I found those headlights, the two in front, super useful. These buttons are for the trim, of course, forward, back, right, and left. And then on the front, of course, you've got the speed, the 3D flip, the video, and the photo buttons. Alright, so as we get ready for first flight, remember this speed button, if you long press that, that's the emergency stop. So if you put it into the wall or something and you want the propellers to stop, that's what you hold to protect it from having any further damage. In order to calibrate, we're going to do two left corners, and then when it's time to launch, we'll either go outside or they'll let you go inside for launching. Of course, you could also use the one key takeoff. Alrighty friends, the drone is turned on. Let's find the Snaptain. It sees that it's the A10. Let's switch to function display. And boom, we can see the gym floor with that incredible reflection. Now, one thing I like to do is turn on my little display here. This has the emergency stop, the battery, shows me all the connections, and we're ready to go. There she is taking off, and let's flip this up and capture some footage. Notice she hovers pretty darn well. And because she's hovering, I've got time to straighten out the camera for you. Now it is moving forward by itself. I'm going to hold the trim button and try and bring it back. One of my favorite things about this little fella is the headlights. When I can see those two headlights, I know she's coming back at me. She climbs fast. She flies fast. Alrighty friends, you can see she hovers pretty sweet. I'm going to turn on the video recorder using the little control on the front. And we're just going to do slow speed because this 720p just couldn't handle it when I did any faster. We'll bring it back at us, see if we can bring it around smoothly. Gain a little bit of altitude. And let's do a 3D flip. Let's go back the other way. And it flips sideways too. Let me bring that this way so you can see how it works. There's your 3D flip button, and you flip for whichever way you want it to go. And how about a quick speed trip? Let's go. Let's bring her in and drop her. There she is. Alrighty friends, so as you can see, this tiny little drone is a total blast to fly, and it is a total bargain at under 40 bucks, and there's even a coupon at the moment. Friends, I will make sure there's a link in the description, and there will be more videos as I keep playing with this fun little drone. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.